This message is being transmitted by the request of the Federal Communications Commission. At around midnight last night, many people around the center of the state of Tennessee were discovered to have disappeared without a trace. This mass disappearance isn't known as to why or how it occurred. Authorities dispatched a law enforcement helicopter to search the area. The law enforcement helicopter spotted a man outside his house getting into his car. If you are this man, do not panic. The situation is being resolved and you will be rescued. The radius of this disappearance appears to be around 70 miles in radius. If you live in the state of Tennessee or neighboring states, do not make any effort to travel into this disappearance zone. The following will state all affected counties in Tennessee and Kentucky. Affected counties in Tennessee: Cheatham, Davidson, Hickman, Houston, Humphreys, Montgomery, Williamson, Bedford, Benton, Giles, Lawrence, Lewis, Macon, Marshall, Maury, Perry, Robertson, Rutherford, Sumner, Truesdale, Wayne, Wilson. Affected counties in Kentucky: Christian, Todd, Trigg,